that's nice. Patting her, scratching her belly. I don't know if she really wants to play right now, Alyssa. I think she's pretty tired. Is the bear on Gracie?
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Gracie. How's this Poochie? How are you today, Gracie? Do you like it when I whisper to you? You're not sure what whispering is, are you? I know. It's not talking. It's not barking. It's whispering.
Are you stuck? You need a push?
I can't feel it.
There you go.
How? I feel it.
You did it. Good job.
It's
All the way to Gracie. Yeah.
For Gracie. We're on for games next week. We're on for games next week. We also want to go to the Chiefs game one night if you guys are all interested in going to that too. Oh.